That my ate and that that my ate me is Cheng and her is Sunshine. That is 7 years old. I 6, 7. Gagawa kami ng pancake bukas. Kasi, Shine, ano ba bukas, Shine?
Lunes.
Lunes?
Ay, Martes.
Martes, okay. So, bye. That joke. Nakahiga ako. Ayan, ginawin ko na yan. Ano? Kita mo yung color red? I have to go. I'm English, but I'm Tagalog. Not bad English or Tagalog. Is my sister is drawing her. That my sister have a classmate Ulap, and there's little house. I'm Cheng, I'm not Ulap. His ate sign is Dion Di Patilla and Sunshine. I have a award and medal. And my attitude is attitude. There's an award. I have a drawing. Look up. I have. Oh, not that. Oh, not that. See your color red. I have candy. Flying now. So, bye-bye. Sad joke lang ulit. Pero no. Why not? Everything is no matter and hard. Come on, full time.